How are you, my dear students? કેમ છો? Welcome to IB Patel English School's granted section. You know me, but still I give my see. Up to 9th standard you have written many things, and in your writing section, in section D, essay writing is asked, letter writing is also asked, email writing is also asked, report writing and diary writing too. And you should not forget that essay writing is the biggest question of your English question paper, and it carries maximum mark, and it is asked in section D. Dear students, essay is not just you just take a paper and you start writing. It has its some own criteria how to write an essay. See, it has means essay writing, it has its own its own structure. It has its own structure, and the first thing, any essay has only 3 parts. The first part is introduction of an essay. The first part is what? Introduction. Second part is subject matter. Subject matter means the body of an essay. And the last part is conclusion. Now let's understand in detail. कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, आपके ऐसे लिखना बैठते हैं, then you just write an essay in a paragraph wise, and whatever thoughts you come to your mind, and you just write haphazardly. But no, that is not an essay. Actual and good essay is what? It has only major 3 parts. The first part is introduction of an essay, and second part is subject matter, and third part is conclusion. See, main thing in introduction part, you please remember, generally what you do when you start when you start writing an essay, the topic is, suppose in 9th standard, in 8th standard, the topic was asked that my favorite festival. So you have clear-cut idea in your mind, the favorite festival is Diwali. So what do? Remember, what is your first line in your essay when this essay was asked, my favorite festival? So your first line is, my favorite festival is Diwali. है ना? Right ना? My dear friends, it is absolutely wrong. In introduction part, in introduction part, the major aspect is what? कि never reveal the topic. Don't write the topic of your an essay in the introduction part. Never show the topic in introduction. In introduction of an essay, just you write the referential sentences of an essay. Only referential sentences. Don't reveal the topic. यानी कि आपके essay का जो topic है वो introduction में कभी ना खोले, कभी नहीं खोलना चाहिए. And after introduction, when you start writing subject matter, in subject matter means in the body of an essay, everything should be included. Whatever thought you come to your mind, you must include in subject matter. That is body. And the last part is conclusion. See, I have just tried to explain the structure of an essay. What is the structure? So first is, the first part is what? This is the first part, means introduction. So introduction is little shorter than subject matter. Introduction is the first part, second part is subject matter, and third part is conclusion. Conclusion is the shortest part of an essay. So in introduction part, how many lines you should write? 8 to 10 lines only. Only 8 to 10 lines you will write in introduction part regarding and referential to essay. In subject matter, how many lines you must include? 30 to 35 lines. And in conclusion, 5 to 8 lines you should include. So my dear friend, please remember this is the absolute structure. हाँ, कभी-कभी ऐसा हो सकता है subject matter is much more bigger and lots of ideas you come to your mind. So please remember, in subject matter, maximum two to three paragraphs you can write, but actually subject matter is a lump of information. Whatever thought you come to your mind, you can include in subject matter. So this is about the structure. Now, writing an academic essay means fashioning a coherent set of ideas into an argument. It's a coherent set. ऐसे का मतलब ये होता है कि कोई भी विषय के ऊपर आप जब लिखना शुरू करते हैं तो एक उसका एक सेट होता है, कोहेरेंट सेट होता है उसका, वो आपके विचारों का, मींस आइडियाज एंड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स. बिकॉज एसेज आर एसेंशियल, लीनियर, they offer one idea at a time. They must present their ideas in the order that makes most sense to a reader. Now the very important point, when you write an essay, generally what do? You just take an diversion, but don't take a diversion in a single essay. Essay has its own one thought, one idea, so never take an diversion. इसको कहते हैं ना कभी कभी कि एक जंगल था और जंगल में एक शेर मिला, तो सपोज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द लायन, so in the whole essay you should talk about the lion. So in the single essay don't talk about the elephant and other animals. So successfully structuring an essay means attending to the reader's logic, and your essay must be relative to reader's logic. The focus of such an essay predicts its structure. It dictates the information readers need to know and the order in which they need to receive it. Means your idea, your thoughts must be matching with your reader's thoughts. Thus, your essay structure is necessarily unique to the main claim you are making, although there are guidelines for structuring certain classic essay types, for example comparative analysis and etc. Now, what is subject matter? Please, my dear students, please look at the screen and please understand कि it is the biggest part of your essay, means body of an essay, subject matter. All major points should be included. When you write the subject matter, all major points, means whatever thoughts you come to your mind regarding the topic, all the points must be included, all major points. Second point is, it is the biggest part of an essay. It is the biggest part, and before in the structure point I have explained that it has 30 to 35 lines. You can write more and more lines if the topic is really much more bigger. It contains 30 to 35 lines. This is very important point. Please don't take diversion in the topic. एक topic पे जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, suppose you are talking about Diwali, so in body and subject matter all the points must be written regarding Diwali. Now you cannot write about Navratri, you cannot write about Uttarayan in the essay of Diwali. Means don't take a diversion in the topic. Then all related thoughts, points and actions to the topic should be included. Whatever thoughts, whatever points you come to mind, you please include in the topic. Then use maximum power words. This is very important point. Power words. Your essay